Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trendz. Today I'm going to show you some lasers and idea about using lasers in Sari Kuchu. These two are ready-made lace that is available in market in various colors, and one is with bead, another one is plain. It costs like 40 rupees for a meter. For Sari Kuchu you need 1.2 meters to complete, so you can get accordingly. And not only for sari kuchu, you can also use this for your blouse necklines, for designer blouse, and also for any pattu sari blouse. Okay, it gives nice look and grand look. And to fix it, you have to keep this lace under your sari in your wrong side. Your right side should be in this way. This way you get like crochet arch pattern. Okay, hope you understand this one. This gives very neat and grand look. You can also attach it over the right side of your sari, but when you use it in the wrong side, it gives like crochet kuchu design. You can do it in few minutes by using this lasers, but if you are doing crochet kuchu, it will take much time, and moreover you should be knowing how to do this kind of arch in crochet work. To customize this kind of ready-made lasers, you can attach beads or tassels to it. Here you can find holes to insert your tassels over. Here I am adding one tassel. This is of 50 strands. Here I am adding. The color can be based on your sari shades. Either you can leave this kuchu as such, or you can add this kind of tassels to customize it. You can also make this kind of ready-made kuchu and sell it. Few customers may not be able to send their sari to you. In that case, you can just make this kind of ready-made lasers and send them. This can be easily done by anyone. So once after complete, you can just give it a stitch in your pallu area. Same way we can add any number of tassels and beads based on our requirement and our idea. Not only like this kind of lace, you can use any lace and make your ready-made sari kuchus and sell it. To make it general, you can also use only gold color silk thread and sell it, so that they can attach it with any color sari. Here I am attaching another one tassel. This way you can attach. This is fully based on our creativity, so you can experiment with any kind of lasers that is available. If you get in gold color, this will match your silk saree. That's the basic idea. That's why you're always using gold color for our ready-made kuchus. Ready-made kuchu means ready to stitch kuchu, which can be done without a sari and can be sent to the customer so that they can stitch it. Either they can stitch it or get it stitched by any tailor nearby. Okay, this way add your tassels, and here it's ready. This is an idea to show you how we can convert any normal readily available lasers into a kuchu. And if you like this idea, then give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and hit on that bell icon for future notifications. Okay, and keep an eye on the space for more these kind of videos. Okay friends, thank you, take care, bye bye.